I have been watching my town prepare for flooding, and the one thing that's starting to pop up all over town is sandbags. And sandbags are an interesting concept. In fact, my children, my two younger ones especially, are kind of amazed by sandbags. They think they're sort of amazing, you know. Mom, just putting those white bags out, that's going to make the water stop? I don't think so, you know. Like, they just don't believe it. So I thought about sandbags a lot because we were talking about them, and I realized that there are some symbols with sandbags. The whole idea of sandbagging is actually really profound, and that it has a lot to do with what we do as parents when we learn new skills and when we try to correct the problems in our home. The ideal situation in your home is you sandbag. So what they do with sandbags is they fill these bags, and they have to do it before the problem comes, usually, to have the most effectiveness, to not have the home be in jeopardy in any way. So it's something that you do a little bit ahead of time if you can. Now, I know not everybody's in that situation, but that's the ideal, and you're going to always have the very best results if you have been starting on something before there ever is a problem. That's where a lot of families get in trouble, is they start to work on the parenting and deliberately doing things and changing things in their family when they notice a problem. A leader always looks ahead, which means it's much better if you can try to anticipate what problems there will be for your children in this time that they are growing and learning. Now, I know we can't ever see everything, but we can be wary about a few things. And we can be wary without being paranoid, too, you know, because there is a difference. But if you're sandbagging, it makes you very secure. Just like the people who are filling the bags and putting them out and lining up the sides of the street and stuff with the bags, they're very secure. They've seen the bags work. So it's the preparation that actually gives us that confidence. And when you have that kind of security and confidence in your parenting, because you've learned some skills, you've decided to plan some things out deliberately, to have a few things you're watching for, to set up some meetings, to check on stuff with the family, stuff like that, then you have a kind of a security. And that security goes into your everyday.